Okay, today we're going to look at some multi-step word problems, and we are going to piece them together to figure out what they're asking us. So, as you might remember, multi-step word problems means that there's different operations that we might need to do to solve the problem. So this says that Jada's family bought memberships to the recreation center for 1 year. It cost $532 for 4 regular memberships. A deluxe membership costs an additional $35 per membership. So how much does a deluxe membership cost? Okay, so we need to look at the information that we need. Okay, so it's $532 for 4 regular memberships. Okay, so they spent $532 to get 4 regular memberships. And then a deluxe membership costs an additional $35 per membership. Okay, so it would be whatever they paid for that plus 35. So we want to know how much the deluxe membership is going to cost. Okay, so to figure out how much one regular membership costs, I think I'm going to need to do 532 divided by 4, and then that'll give me the price for a regular membership. But I want deluxe. That's what I need to answer. So I'll just add $35 to that when I'm done. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with 532 divided by 4. Okay, so 4 goes into 5 one time, 4 times 1. So 5 take away 4 gives me 1. Bring down the 3. 4 times what gives me as close to 13 as possible. 4 times 3 gives me 12. A remainder of, or one left over, and then bring down the 2, and 4 times 3 gives me 12 exactly. So minus 12, 0. Okay, so it looks like a regular membership is $133. So I want to know how much the deluxe is, so I'm going to do $133 plus $35, and I get $168 for a deluxe membership. So what I did there was I took the total cost for 4 regular memberships and I divided it so that I could figure out how much one regular membership was, and then I added the additional $35 to one membership, my answer here, so that I could figure out how much a deluxe membership costs. Okay? So let's go ahead and look at the next problem. This one says that Devin's family went snowboarding and that tickets cost $25 for kids and that they cost $30 for adults. And then the helmets cost $10 each. There are 3 kids and 2 adults in Devin's family. Everyone in Devin's family is getting a ticket and a helmet. Suppose they pay with $200. How much change will they receive? Okay, so tickets are $25 for kids and $30 for adults, and the helmets cost $10. Okay, there's 3 kids and 2 adults in the family, and everyone is getting a ticket and a helmet. And okay, and then they're gonna pay with $200, and we need to know how much change they're gonna get. Okay, so let's break this down. All right, so we need to figure out how much money this all costs to begin with. So $25 for kids, and we've got 3 kids. Okay, so 25 times 3. Okay, and then $30 for adults. Okay, we've got 30 times 2 because there's 2 adults. And then they're all getting helmets too, so $10, and there's 5 people total, so 5. Okay, so here are my kids, here are my adults, and here are my helmets. All right, so let's go ahead and figure this out. So 25 times 3, it's gonna be 1575, okay, plus 30 times 2, 3 times 2 is 6, tack on a 0, 60, plus 10 times 5 is 50. Okay, I'm gonna stack this so I know how much it costs for them all. And that's 11, 18. Okay, so it's $180. It cost $180. They're paying with $200, so I need to find out how much change they're gonna get. So 1, 10, 9, 10. It's 2, Nope, that don't make sense. Let's not do that. 1, wow. 200. Take away 180. 0, 1, 2, $20. So they're going to get $20 in change, okay? So I had to figure out first how much it cost for them to go snowboarding. So it's $25 for kids, and there's 3 kids, so that gives me $75. It's $30 for adults, and there's 2 adults, so that's 30 times 2. And then all the helmets were $10 each. So, and they said that everybody was getting a ticket and a helmet. So we are going to go ahead and have 75 plus 60 plus 50, which gives me 180. And then I'm going to take that away from 100, take that away from 200 because that's how much they paid with. And I'm left with 20. All right. Here is the last one. I'm going to read it, and then I want you to give it a go on your own, and then we'll solve it together. So it says that the regular bookstore sold 345 books, and that the discount bookstore sold 3 times as many books. So how many books were sold all together? I want us to write an equation to solve the problem and use the variable for the unknown. I want you to ignore this part right now. Ignore that part. And I just want you to solve the problem. Okay, so the regular bookstore is going to sell 345 books. And the discount is going to sell 3 times as many books. So we wanted to know how much are all together. So the regular gave us 345, and the discount gives us 345 times 3. So here's how we would write this if we were using a variable. We would say 345 times 3 plus 345 gives us B for the amount of number of books, okay? So I'm going to stack 345 times 3, 15, 21, and I get 1,115. I need to add 345 more because I need to talk about how many the regular bookstore made. And I get 1,460. So B equals 1,460 books sold all together. Okay, you're going to do some practice of some problems of these on your own, and then we will also continue to do more practice.